How to turn off or on storage permission on customize your gift card on Amazon Shopping on Android or iOS phone. First open Amazon Shopping and then click these three lines here and click settings and then click permissions. Now just wait few seconds, and now scroll down until you find storage, and here we'll find customize your gift card. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.